I'll show you how you can get anything you want and be crazy successful using one important word, and we're going to start right now. Hi, I'm Stephanie, the world's #1 habit master. And I can help you build new habits that will change your life and get rid of the old ones that you hate. If you're new here, click on the subscribe button below and the little bell so you won't miss any videos. Today we're going to explore the word belief. People throw this word around like it's some kind of ugly stepchild. The truth is, the word belief is the reason that the civilized world we live in exists today. Whoa, that's a powerful statement. The word belief means an acceptance that a statement is true or that something exists, a religious conviction, trust, faith, or confidence in someone or something. A conviction and trust. Sometimes people believe things blindly without really knowing all there is to know about the subject. This can be good or bad depending on the situation. If you're talking about your thoughts, abilities, and ideas, sometimes blind faith is all you have to keep you striving for your goal. All successful people have belief in their corner. They believe that their idea will help to forward something in life. Whether it's an idea, service, or product, they believe that they can make a difference in another's life. They never know how to get there, but they believe that they can do that by developing their ideas. The successful believe so strongly that they can convince others to believe in them too. Think of the explorers. They didn't know what was out there, but they believed they could find new worlds of treasure, and they did. Think of the technology giants of today, your Microsoft, your Apple, Facebook, and Google. What did the world look like before these giants were born? Think of sports legends and innovators. How did these people push the levels of humanity? This is what you need to do if you're going to be successful in life. Believe that you can do it, even if no one else does. You don't have to be a legend. You just have to believe that you can make a difference. I believe that what I've learned improving myself and my own habitual behaviors can help you do the same. And I'm already seeing the results by your feedback. Believe in yourself. You'll be amazed at how doors will open for you when you're confident in yourself. Comment below if you believe in yourself. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my videos, and if you need help clarifying the steps to create good habits, grab a free copy of my book, The Habit Formula, by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and let's build good habits together.
Most people think that making positive changes in their lives and businesses is difficult, but it's easier than you think. Dr. Stephanie Aldrich created the Habit Formula book, and she wants you to have a free copy of it. In the Habit Formula, you will learn what habits are, where habits come from, and how to form new ones. Habits rule everything in your life, whether you realize it or not. Get your free copy of the Habit Formula today. Go to thehabitformulabook.com for more information.